biya kamal ka Nuer online TV channel to kon ka ler mi jidit mi bana ling an lera me bana rwach ka manana shala da kuma South Sudan ka kui kuakni diaal ki mineral tin cha chakre which ka South Sudan ko nyal ka ne ba gwadialan kontin ti mineral tikitin ke kwak paintin kontin cha te da ko nyal ko ba wi South Sudan ba lat ka ne ba gwadialan tikitin ba ka gor jarwa jidana bana lat kajan la rame bana madana chikana lat kiman chala kuma South Sudan ka kui resource ni ki natural resource shit ke mineral tin content cha chaka ko tin tere wech ka South Sudan awa gwet ken dial ba ka gor location ken ke geographical location gwada dan tigatin ba ngaje gwanu location tin content tigatin ke mineral re ka South Sudan agwada dien anamo wa be South Sudan be jako be ngwane to go be galat ki be siang development ka ki siang shop be je kula lat ka ken mineral totoni ban na me ban je kula linkel ngu mu gor ku me je en go dere got content mineral tigatin ngu mu gor je en go dere jangai keje ban raje me ban je kwen kel ka do bran en chano keje mi jiram jidit ka Nuer online TV channel gorno bi subscribe mi jiram dong nyen changan yam kaji ke dong jiram kel bani ka Nuer online TV channel no wen goro jen oder comment ka der janyu akane ko ken ka der yela kami jiram jidit goro jen o jender subscribe ka der notification bell der je twany ba aler banat gwa same aler mishalat ka kui rington kon tin lat ko re wi ka South Sudan ka kui mineral panken ka kwakton content re wi ka South Sudan tin non karyang ngay kona kwak pin chit ke liet ala petroleum chit ke gold chit ke silver tung wan ko kien te bukona link ka jan lera me ka do bdana ci kum South Sudan ci rodo jay ke jeno bi kan to bi kan kalat kuma South Sudan gor ka gwas kwang ni dia tin cha chak ko nyal re wich ka South Sudan kan kwak to kan kwak shal ke minerally cha rojo mo cha ja kwen kaman cha kwen gwasame waji kuma South Sudan chawar yalakan wo be South Sudan kelyo gwada kontin te mineral ticketin rai wika South Sudan ba location diyan ke gwada kon ticketin ajane baka identify ke baka ngach shawraji mo shajalat ke mande ke gje lat gwan misha Dr. Matiok Santino Akwe Ramadan la new undersecretary dung mining minister ke Ramadan to mineral tek pindementet ke mineral ke tedere wike South Sudan Martin Gama Abusha chikan la rawene tiga ko biken geological survey biken alat ala godan kon tin mineral tiktin biken god to biken ka gor akane big information ken dial ki data tinyo da gwano en South Sudan take mineral ka tiga wen dien re which ka South Sudan che karwaje mo chikan ko no biken mo biken alat big survey biken alat munyo biken but the content mineral tek tere wike South Sudan biken agor enono ajane an chagor no bo ka Minister of Finance ko gwao balar me bajala de gwa ko ba geological survey bajalat ajane bana got the content result tek ten bana galat ka location nyeng Google map ki me badan men chalke geological survey ajane bana dial bana ka map ke bana galat ka jen me badan te ko kon ngajeno gwad me jen gwad dana te mineral meteten ko me kan ka kon gor tel dom ba ga je re wi ka South Sudan go ka gwada ken ki ryang dan tene katin kona chak akunyal ci gawra je mo ci ken lad no bi ken lalet ko gor ka no bi tin kona lat ko rodien ka kwimin role ba ka yinga je go ka do ba dan gor ka je no de kwakto to de gwad ken de ngai ka je be je kwen ya ka to English bi arun ju palpinki bi ajeleng. The government of South Sudan is set to embark on large-scale mapping across the country in a bid to help identify the location and size of new mineral deposit. Speaking in Juba on Monday during the reception of Dr. Matiok Santino Akwe, the new Undersecretary, Mining Minister Martin Gama Abusha said in-depth geological survey will help in providing information about the country's diverse mineral resources. In the morning, I had to go to the Minister of Finance because one of the most important work of this minister is geological survey. We must map our resources so that we understand what we have and know what quantities we have so that we know where they occur, he says. So that is one of the things we want to do. We are going to make a geological survey, and that's why I was in the Ministry of Finance. The minister stressed the need to develop maps and other data to assist government agencies, mining companies, and the public recognizing, developing, and protecting important mineral resources. For his part, Dr. Akwe, the new Undersecretary of the Mining Minister, say the country untapped mineral wealth will boost economic growth. Today, we must plant the seed of investment, and that will bear fruit for future generation. South Sudan is endowed with vast mineral resources, which include gold, copper, zinc, lead, rare earth mineral, uranium, organic irons, diamonds, and precious mineral, he said. However, the potential of this sector remains largely untapped, and this is the major challenge for our country and the economy. On 20th February, President Salva Kiir Mayardit fired Dr. Cosma Pitya as Undersecretary of the Ministry of Mining and replaced him with Dr. Matthew Santino Akwe. Dr. Matthew Santino Akwe me jaramadana wabi survey bijalat begwata content minerals and baganyot begwata content alo ke mineral tin content ka South Sudan ke shop kadi ke kwakta content tere which ka South Sudan ke shop kadi gold nine dire ka South Sudan copper nine di zinc dide tedi lead dide minindi rare earth mineral tin cocaine uranium organic ions diamond kanati cocaine tetere mon pin mon ka mun South Sudan dan ja chaka konyal ko de kwakto de peg de jangat waram en yame chilet telmi nyot ke telmi lat dum tema waram me jen gor jen obelede bum jen kula jen ka je we roy kene konte ko finance ko me betiga dob ki yudo ba gor te ba lede to ba kulat ke je survey cha ilat banko jen gor ren yal mabatin kontin tipin baga kula tamke baga kula mer ba kul ngaje no gwada me timin rolten ka peg de ki dide ni nena no mo ba nyot gwada dan en wa dam no wa gwet ken wa ka ngai ke kwak dial ko ne pin mon dung South Sudan ala natural sources ne me jana no go de nywa ye kel bete mal bye bye